Built-in reset, requires Apple ID. Open Settings. Screen time. Change screen time passcode. Immediately tap Forgot Passcode. If there's no Forgot Password option here, enter the wrong password 6 times, and the option will appear. Enter the Apple ID email and password used when first setting up screen time. This may differ from your current iCloud account. If verified, set a new 4-digit passcode instantly. Why this fails for many users: the linked Apple ID was reset or forgotten. Screen time was enabled without an Apple ID, common on older iOS versions. Forgot passcode, option missing due to profile corruption. When Apple ID recovery is impossible, option 1. Go to Settings, General, Transfer or Reset iPhone, erase all content in Settings. This removes screen time but deletes all data. Restore from a backup made before screen time was enabled to prevent lock persistence. Option 2, use MagFone iPhone Unlocker. For data preservation, MagFone removes screen time locks without passcode. Get past screen time on iPhone in 2 minutes.